Hello viewers, here is a Brother IntelliFax 675. This is a pretty simple machine. I think you can do copying, but that's about all the other functionality it has besides the faxing. There's the informations. Made in Malaysia. I've always liked these Brother machines. They're pretty simple, no frills, and from my experience they're quite reliable. This one is out of paper, so I got a new paper roll here. This is a thermal printer. This paper's semi-jacked up. Hopefully that doesn't cause a freak show. Am I doing this wrong? Yes, I am. Let's see, it's supposed to go like this, and then goes under here. Closes. And then it goes back down. Okay. Now that the paper is loaded up, let's plug this thing in. Plug the phone line in too. Okay. We have a date of January 1, 1996. Alright, let's get some help. It's now printing the help page. Okay, it prints on the bottom, it's a little strange. Okay. Print quality is pretty decent for what it is, and it's an archaic thermal printer. Got a little faded out there. I'm not sure if that's a problem with the paper or what. Anyways, there's that. That printed out. So let's begin by calling this thing up. This one has caller ID. Okay, it's set to auto answer, and it picked up pretty fast, so that's fine. Seems to work as far as that's concerned. So let's make a call to the testing answering machine to stop that. Okay. Let's call this testing answering machine up, and it's not plugged into the testing answering machine, it's plugged into my other fax unit. Nope, it is it? Yeah, it is. It's not going to be useful right now. Switch this plug over. Having a great deal of difficulty unplugging this. Okay, now I can call it. Testing the IntelliFax 675. The side tone on this phone is very strange. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's hear that testing message from a distance.
1 new message and 23 old messages. Message 1.
Testing the IntelliFax 675. The site phone is very strange. 1, 2, 3.
End of messages.
Okay, that seemed to work just fine. Now let's go over to the mains and we'll make an outside call.
We offer checking accounts that are right for you. Visit people.com to learn more. People United.
Today is Friday, January 22nd. People's United Bank. Time, 10.
Seems to work just fine. Okay, so now I'll switch the machine over to the, or I'll switch the other line rather, over from the testing engine machine to the other fax. And I will try to send a fax. The buttons are hair sticky on this other machine here. Gotta get that cleaned. That's gonna have a problem. Let's try it again. Like that went through without a problem. It sent a cover page which has somebody's information stored on there, so we'll have to get that out. And then here is the fax itself. This also has information at the top. There's the fax. And this is what I had sent, so it seemed to work just fine. I'm going to plug in my testing answering machine to the extension to see if we can get a better volume here on the faxing sounds, because it's pretty quiet. Alright, I'm going to try to send a fax again. Hold on. Stop. It didn't pass the audio through the extension port like I was hoping that it would. No problem, no problem. I'll plug it in a different way. Absolutely wrecking way. Testing setup here though. Okay. User error. Okay, this machine is now printing a verification report. I gotta get this stinking name and number off there. I'm sure that individual and that phone number are long obsolete, but still. Okay. And let's see if our fax came through alright. Looks like it did. I don't know what that line is there. That line does not appear on the fax itself. I wonder if there's something on the... Oh yeah, there is. There's a piece of junk on the scanner glass. It's not easily coming off. I'll have to clean that. Anyways, alright, so that's working now. Let's try to make a copy. And you know what I'll do? I'll send a fax from this over to the other machine, so I'll make sure that transmits okay. When this one answers, I'll try to grab the other line or the other phone here and see if it'll get the audio. Oh, jeez. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. It's recording on the answering machine. Is this not feeding correctly? I don't think it is. There it goes. It was jammed. Oh, that's awful. What a freak show. okay. Well, it wasn't really that okay. Is there something on the... I can't even see where the... Well, let's make a copy and see if it was just as bad. It is. So the scanner must need to be cleaned. I really like how it cuts that paper. It's cool. Yeah, this scanner probably needs a good cleaning. I mean, you can see the machine is filthy. I'm sure there's junk all over the lens, and there's that black junk inside there as well, so I'm sure that can be cleaned off. Anyways, that's going to be it for the initial checkout of this IntelliFax 675 machine. Oh, let's do one more thing. Let's listen to that voicemail. Unfortunately, not ready. Unfortunately, the voicemail box filled up during that recording, but probably got a little bit of the sound anyways.
1 new message and 24 old messages. The memory is full.
I know.
Please erase your messages. Message 1.